announce the arrival of the Honorable Governor. We are happy to announce the arrival of the First Lady of the state. We are happy to announce the arrival of the Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. We extend a hearty welcome to the Honorable Governor to the At-Home Independence Day. Ladies and gentlemen, heads of NIRF institution, university body nominees, state association representatives, schools and college principals emphasize the importance of educating the next generation about our unsung heroes and their sacrifices. They stress the significance of teaching young minds about our unity in diversity and the strength it brings and their unwavering determination inspires us to contribute positively. வீர வணக்கத்தை ஒன்று சேர்ந்து உறக்க கூறுவோம் என்று சொல்லி இங்கு வருகை தந்துள்ள முக்கியஸ்தர்களுக்கு மாண்புமிகு ஆளுநர் அவர்கள் மற்றும்